So I'm Dr. Scott. Welcome to another McKenzie Moment video here today with Dr. Morgan Farnell. We're at the Texas A&M Poultry Research Farm, and Dr. Farnell has a current project on biosecurity, and one of the things you're going to be looking at is floor mats and entryways, solids versus liquids. So Morgan, what are you going to be looking at specifically the rest of next year?
Well, these interventions, we just assume that they work and that they have a good efficacy. And what we want to do is to go out in the field, a kind of real world situation, try to actually measure these things, look at the level of aerobic bacteria before and after these different interventions. And while those aren't pathogens, they could be good indicator organisms for a potential pathogen.
One of the things we're trying to do is make biosecurity at entry points easier. With good employee compliance, I think it was C.S. Lewis that said, do the right thing even when no one is watching. That is biosecurity, right? You can have a culture of biosecurity just like you have a culture of safety. If you don't enforce it, if you're not there to enforce it, how are you going to keep employees from walking over the wet mats with the solid granule? It's EPA registered, the pathogens are getting killed. With this additional water we're trying out, we'll try to increase the amount of chemistry that's available to the boot. We want foot PM compliance. One of the key challenges for biosecurity entryways is not really the chemical selection, it's the format of the chemical. The solid granules that are EPA registered have really taken off in sales this past couple years. One of the reasons is key, and if you would go to our website, www.envirotech.com, there's a white paper on there that outlines what Dr. Bob Owen did and when he was at Hubbard comparing solids to liquids. We appreciate Dr. Farnell's letting us do this quick and dirty project. I look forward to your biosecurity updates on the work you're going to do this spring. And again, this is Dr. Scott. Thanks for listening to another McKenzie Moment. Have a great week.